Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I love Tazo tea so much, and this is one of my favorites. This is their refreshment. It's a caffeine-free tea, and it is mint, which is so refreshing, hence the name. But I love that it's caffeine-free, so I can make this any time of day, and I don't have to worry about that added caffeine, but it's just such a refreshing, minty flavor, and it's really great for me for maybe settling my stomach, or if I've had a big meal, or if I just need a little gentle pick-me-up. This tea is so yummy. They come individually wrapped, so it's really convenient to take it with you on the go if you want to make tea when you're at work or whatever. It has peppermint, spearmint, and tarragon in it, so the flavor is so good. This is what the tea bag looks like. Oh my goodness. It smells so yummy. I just love this tea because it's so refreshing. It has such an incredible flavor, and Tazo tea is just amazing quality. So I know that every single cup is going to be super, super delicious. That's just my point of view.